This video is going to provide a quick overview of the Stok app. Stok app's used in warehouses, on shop floors, anywhere you're holding stock, need to receive stock, pick items, what have you. So at the top here, we've got our little sync button that just pushes and pulls down data as and when you need it. Picks, so we could have a look at all the picks. If we jump in and have a look at a pick, this is the item we've got to pick, and you've got all the information about the item as well as its storage locations there at the bottom. We could create a pick. So if we had goods out notes and you wanted to create a pick manually on the fly, you could do that. Inventory movements, so we can move stock between bins. You can add inventory. You'll see, with an audit trail and reason provided at the bottom, and remove inventory. Goods out notes, so packing, so you could have a look at all goods out notes. These are goods out notes to be packed, fully editable. Again, you can jump in, you can have a look at the item, all the information about the item. You can change the packaging, you can change the weight, you can change the courier, you can create consignments and move and create new packages. You can edit the address. It's a fully editable goods out note. And of course, at the point where you dispatch, you can print labels, your courier labels and what have you. At the pack station, this would be a list of all the goods out notes to be packed. Goods receipts, receiving goods in. So you could have a look at a list of all goods receipts, or you could create a goods receipt. Now, a goods receipt can be one without a reference, so you could just scan goods in, not against a purchase order, what have you. You could receive goods in against a stock transfer, a purchase order, or a return, an e-commerce return. If we choose purchase orders, we can select multiple purchase orders to receive the delivery against. Stok.ly will just assign the items to the oldest purchase order first and clear those off. Stock takes, so stock takes by location, bin location, what have you, brand, item types, very flexible, and you can create stock takes on the fly. You can find items, so I could start typing in a stock code. It just filters in real time. There's the item. Or if I was just looking to scan an item, scan it and up comes the item. In settings at the bottom, this is where we choose the location where we're using the app. Got a full synchronization with error messages and what have you. And then this is where you'd select your printers to connect to 6x4 label printers or A4 printers or barcode printers if you're printing off barcode labels. So that's the Stok app. A quick overview. There are more detailed videos on each of these sections. Please search those up.